Use the Oleum Cottage, Scalp Psoriasis and Dermatitis Care Bundle to manage symptoms on and around the scalp. First, spray 1 or 2 pumps of the restorative oil on the affected scalp area and massage with fingers. Wrap your head in a soft towel or cloth for 20 to 90 minutes to improve the absorption of the healing oils. Do this at bedtime thrice a week or more. Also, switch to a sulfate-free shampoo and reduce the frequency of washing your hair to not more than 3 times a week. Anytime you feel a strong itch or simply an overpowering dryness, take 1 or 2 pumps of the Calming and Soothing Lotion and apply it on the affected areas, whether it is on the scalp or around the hairline, forehead, behind the ears or back of the neck. These 2 formulations together make for a healing ritual for your scalp psoriasis.